In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Apple ID without losing data. So what you want to do is go to settings and then click on your profile, and then you want to click on name, phone numbers and emails. And here, if you click on edit, you can remove your Apple ID and then create or add a new email or phone number. But before you do that, make sure that you have backed up everything so that you don't lose anything potentially in the process. So to back up, you want to go back to your ID, iCloud backup, and then click on backup now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.